Hey guys, so I'm gonna be bubbing for you. The no bub challenge, for some reason won't let me upload my video. So I'm gonna have to redo it. It's gonna take a few days, but I'll redo it. So, I'm sorry guys. I know I look like crap, guys. Damn. One more.